Many people they talk say Evangelist Ebuka Obi they do campaign. That Evangelist Ebuka Obi use indirect way to do campaign for Hope Uzodinma, governor of Imo State. But let me ask you a question. In this country we are into, Nigeria, a lot of ministers of God during election, they will come out openly and declare who they support. So if Evangelist Ebuka Obi declare who he support, I do not see anything wrong on it. But why una dey carry wetin he no do? Because Evangelist Ebuka Obi no support anybody. He did not support anybody. He did not say go and vote for this person. He did not say go and vote for this person. He did not say so. Una dey carry wetin he no do. Pen. Now let me ask you people a question. I want to know, no be the same people where they talk say why Nigeria pastors no dey tell the governor make dem do good work in their states. Are they not the same people are complaining on social media? Nigerian pastors, they are after tithe and offering money. They are not telling the governor, they are not telling the president to do good work in their state, in their country. Now Ebuka Obi stood up and tell the governor of Imo State, look at this road. Many governors don't rule Imo State and no one of them build this road. Please do am for me. And he get one school where Evangelist Ebuka Obi tell Hope Uzodinma, make Hope Uzodinma build. Now, Hope Uzodinma obeyed his voice and started doing the work. He stood up to appreciate him for the good work he did. Una they condemn Ebuka Obi why he dey talk am. So una want as Hope Uzodinma they do that work, make Evangelist Ebuka Obi stood up, they insult Hope Uzodinma, make him praise you people. We are living in a wicked generation. We are living in a wicked generation. Not be the same people where they condemn pastors. Why pastors are not telling the governors to do work? Now he have stood up to talk him now, and the governor obey him first. Do him. Una they insult him. So tomorrow now, una they expect Evangelist Ebuka Obi to stand up to tell the governor, do this thing, do this thing, do this thing, do this thing. He may keep quiet, because if he stand up to tell the governor to do good things, after governor do that thing, if he appreciate the governor public, we are going to talk say he dey do campaign for governor. I want to know the sin that Evangelist Ebuka Obi committed. He tell the governor to build road. He tell the government to build school. I want to know the sin that Evangelist Ebuka Obi committed in this thing. Now make una tell me. Make una tell me the sin Evangelist Ebuka Obi commit now by telling the governor to build road, to build school. Tell me. Now the same people when they open their mouth for social media, they talk with you and no. Wicked generation. We are living in a wicked generation. So this kind of thing one they talk now. Tomorrow, if Evangelist Ebuka Obi keep quiet, maybe Evangelist Ebuka Obi see what is happening in his state or see what is happening in Nigeria, he no want talk, because he go do and say, if I talk now, then go talk side, they do campaign, make I keep quiet. Now all those is one that they do online, they make some pastors when they put mad for politics. Because if they put trying to amend something, when I go find fault to condemn them. Now what if they do this country? The pastors are not talking, they are not talking, they are busy collecting tithe and offering, no load, no water, no school. Now he stand up to tell the governor to do the good work, and the governor do him. He appreciate the governor, and you people are talking say he dey do campaign to governor. Do you see that we are living in a wicked generation? We are living in a wicked generation. We are living in a wicked generation. Every day, Pastor Ebuka Obi, Ebuka Obi, Ebuka Obi. What thing Ebuka Obi do you people? All the bad thing where they happen at Imo State, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, they condemn all of them. Now, before I round up, let me ask you this question. In your village, in your community, there is no water, and Evangelist Ebuka Obi come to your village, tell the governor, please come to this village and dig borehole for these people. They have no water in this village. Please come and dig borehole for these people. And the governor obeyed his voice, started digging the borehole. Now Evangelist Ebuka Obi saw that the governor had come to dig borehole, and he appreciated the governor. Tell the governor, thank you very much, I really appreciate you for what you have doing. Now I want to ask you, Tell me the sin where Evangelist Ebuka Obi committed. Tell me the sin where he commit.